Alright, I think it's ready to come out. Kevin will live. A heart transplant, a whole body transplant. Put this in. Yeah. There's the motor and transmission and suspension. Ta-da! But now we have to get the motor. Yeah. How does that do? Actually,
I think the frame comes up. No, because then you'd be able to drop that at the bottom.
Well, the ones in the wrecker still have this frame in here. So, I don't know. Now what do we do?
One mount there.
Yeah, and there's two right here. I already took it off. There's one right there.
Yeah.
And then there's the one that was broken. This one's right here.
So it's just this one mount. And then you lift the motor up.
Well, you got these crossbars probably. Like here and here.
I don't think you have to.
No?
Hey, the exhaust.
Oh, the exhaust. Although, see I noticed this is ripped, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll have to probably get a universal one or something maybe.
Yeah, fix that.
Fix that.
Okay.
I think we can lift the whole.
Yeah, I don't think you have to.
Well, except we got full drive shafts because the transmission's attached.
Oh, yeah.
We got a doubt now what?
Yeah. Cool. Small piece of shit I've seen in all my
Okay, just to recap what we're doing here, because the battery died halfway through last time. We have the new motor in. This is the new motor. It's got, I think it's like 74,000 kilometers or 79, something like that, compared to the 397 we had in the other one. So the new motor's bolted up to the transmission, and in the exhaust, we broke the flex pipe, so we have to get a new flex pipe. Transferred everything off the old motor onto the new motor that was good, alternator, stuff like that. We got some new coils for it. So basically we're just hooking everything up. As you see, when we dropped the whole subframe out, then we realized the top subframe had to come off anyway, so I'm in the middle of putting that back on. So once this is all bolted together, which will be a few more bolts, we can roll it in underneath and bolt it back up. But before we do that, apparently there's been a recall on these because they catch fire. And the reason they catch fire, if you can see that or not, the sound deadening like this stuff here catches fire. So I'm going to pull, there's some more over there and up here. I'm pulling all that out, and I have some sound deadener that's got a metal backing on it. I'm going to, and it's self-adhesive. I'm going to stick that on there, hopefully fix that problem. So under here I got to clean that up, put the sound deadener on there, take these rad hoses off and attach them to the motor. We figured out, now that we've had it out, it's actually easier to undo it there than it is at the motor, because the motor's down and under here with the frame and everything in the way. It was a real pain. So we're going to put it back in the easy way. If we ever do this again, which will be never, we'll know how to do that. So that's what's left underneath this car. And that's got to go in. So we're in the home stretch. Basically, it's just buttoning everything up, getting it back in, and bolting it back in place. Oh, I just realized I didn't put the springs in. That's going to be a pain. Okay, I have the motor bolted in, the frame's all bolted in. I'm actually going to jack it up, put wheels on it, so it'll be on its own wheels. And then just plug in electrical stuff, fuel lines, change the oil, stuff like that, but that's where we are. There, after some drama, we got the car back on all four wheels. It's sitting there, actually looks pretty low, but that's what it's supposed to run. So I'm just gonna hook everything up and then have to run out and get some oil and antifreeze. Okay, we're going to try and start this for the first time. Hopefully. Woohoo! Wow, that sounds nice. Sewing machine, fucking right. Damn! Yeah? Not the leak in it? I'm still getting the chrome grip for that. I don't care either. Yep.
You see that? It fucking worked.